Hello mga anak shis! Welcome to Math TV PH. Ang channel na ito ay tungkol sa math tutorials, lectures, or discussions na Tagalog at Taglish na dedicated sa lahat ng mga estudyante. Kung interesado ka, please like, subscribe at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago akong upload na video. Hello everyone! Sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng arithmetic means given ang fractions. Kasi may mga nagtatanong sa naunang video kung paano daw kumuha ng arithmetic means na given ang fraction. So first, i-recall muna natin kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng fraction para magamit natin mamaya. Dito sa letter A, 2/5 plus 1/5, kapag the same ang denominator nila, just copy the denominator and then add the numerator. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Dito naman, 6/7 minus 8/7, the same denominator din, so copy the denominator which is 7. Then subtract the numerator. 6 minus 8 is equal to negative 2. So the answer is negative 2/7. Letter C, 3/4 plus 1/8. Kapag magkaiba ang denominator nila, kunin natin ang LCD. Ang LCD ng 4 at 8 ay 8. Then, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 times the numerator. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Plus, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then, copy the denominator 8. So, the answer is 7/8. Dito naman, 3/5 minus 1/3. Kunin natin ang LCD ng 5 at 3. Ang LCD nila ay 15. Then, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Minus, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Then, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 over, copy the denominator, 15. So, hindi naman na siya pwedeng i-reduce, kaya 4/15 na lang siya. Kapag nag-divide naman tayo ng fractions, for example, 1/2 divided by 3/4, kunin natin ang reciprocal ng divisor, magiging 4/3. Then, ang operation ay magiging multiplication. So, 1/2 times 4/3 is equal to numerator times numerator. 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Then, denominator times denominator, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, yung 4/6 pwede pa nating i-reduce. Ang magiging sagot nito ay 4 divided by 2, 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. So, 2/3. Para sa insert arithmetic means na given and fraction, just keep on watching. Sa last video ko ay tinuro ko ang arithmetic means. Yung arithmetic means ay yung nasa pagitan ng terms. So, ang arithmetic means dito ay yung second term, third term, and fourth term. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yon, pwede nyo i-click dito sa taas para mapanood ninyo pagkatapos nyo manood dito. So, sa pag-solve ng arithmetic means, ang gagamitin nating formula ay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Same pa rin ang process niya, pero may mga nalilito kung paano daw mag-subtract or mag-add ng fractions. So, ano ba ang a sub n natin dito? Ito yung a sub 1, ito yung a sub 2, ito yung a sub 3, ito yung a sub 4, at ito yung a sub 5 or yung fifth term. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, a sub 5, kasi 5 terms is equal to a sub 1 is 3/4 plus n. Ano ang n natin? 5. Kasi may 5 terms. Minus 1 times d. Then, ang a sub 5 natin is 1/4 is equal to 3/4 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is equal to 4d. And then, transpose natin yung 3/4 doon sa kabila, mag-change siya ng sign. 1/4 minus 3/4 is equal to 4d. Then, simplify. So, meron tayong 1/4 minus 3/4. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pag pareho sila ng denominator, copy the denominator. Then, subtract the numerator. 1 minus 3 is equal to negative 2. Then, pwede pa natin itong reduce. Negative 1 half. So, negative 1 half dito is equal to 4D. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung common difference, i-divide natin ito ng 4. Both sides. Okay. So, negative 1 half divided by 4, negative 1 half divided by 4 over 1. Kasi yung 4, pwede mong express as 4 over 1 para hindi kayo malito. So, get the reciprocal of 4 over 1, negative 1 half, magiging multiplication na ang operation. Reciprocal ng 4 over 1 ay 1/4. Then, multiply. Negative 1 times 1 is equal to negative 1 over 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So, the common difference is equal to negative 1 over 8. Next, pwede na natin kunin ang second term gamit ang common difference na negative 1 over 8. So, yung first term natin ay 3/4. I-add natin yung common difference na negative 1/8. So, since negative siya, pwede mo namang i-diretsyo na negative 1 over 8 is equal to, hindi magkapareho yung denominator, get the LCD of 4 and 8, that is 8. Then, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2, times 3 is equal to 6. Minus, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, times 1 is equal to 1. Then, simplify, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Then, copy the denominator, 8. So, our second term is 5 over 8. Para makuha naman natin yung third term, yung 5 over 8, so i-add natin yung common difference. Or, minus kasi negative. 1 over 8 is equal to, since pareho yung denominator, copy the denominator. Then, subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Or, reduce to lowest term, 4 over 8 will be 1/2. So, ang third term natin ay 1/2. Next, kunin natin yung fourth term, 1/2 minus 1 over 8 is equal to, magkaiba yung denominator, so the LCD of 2 and 8, ano ang LCD nila? 8. Then, 8 divided by 2, 4. Times 1 is equal to 4. Minus, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Times 1 is equal to 1. Then, simplify. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 over 8. Okay? So, 3 over 8 ang fourth term. So, yung tatlong arithmetic means ay 5 over 8, 1/2, and 3 over 8. Para ma-check ninyo kung tama, i-add ninyo yung 3/8 sa negative 1/8. Dapat ang makuha nyo ay 1/4. Another example, number 2. Ang first term ay 2 over 5 at ang fifth term ay 5 over 7. So, ang given ay a sub 1. Hinahanap ang a sub 2, a sub 3, at a sub 4. So, itong a sub 5 or yung fifth term. Then, yung formula ng arithmetic sequence ay a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Then, substitute yung mga given. Ang a sub n natin ay a sub 5 kasi yun yung fifth. Meron tayong fifth term is equal to a sub 1 ay 2/5 at plus the quantity of n is 5 minus 1 times d. Next, ang a sub 5 natin ay 5 over 7 is equal to 2 over 5 plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 times d is equal to 4d. Next, transpose natin yung positive 2/5. Yung positive 2/5 magiging negative 2/5. Kaya 5 over 7 minus 2 over 5 is equal to 4d. Then, isubtract natin 5 over 7 minus 2 over 5. Since hindi sila magkapareho ng denominator, get the LCD of 7 and 5, that is 35. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5, times 5 is equal to 25. Minus 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7, times 2 is equal to 14. Then, 25 minus 14 is equal to 11 over 35. Since hindi naman na siya pwedeng i-reduce, so, ang answer ay 11 over 35 is equal to, kopyahin natin to, 4D. Para matanggal si 4 dito, i-divide natin both sides by 4. So, let's say ito ay over 1. Pwede naman natin itong i-express as 4 over 1. Ngayon, para mas madali kayong mag-multiply, i-multiply ninyo yung nasa sa top at saka yung nasa pinakababa. 11 times 1 is equal to 11 over yung nandito sa loob na 35 and 4. So, 35 times 4 is equal to 140. So, ang common difference natin ay 11 over 140. Para makuha natin yung second term, i-add natin yung common difference doon sa first term. Ang first term natin ay 2 over 5 plus ang common difference natin ay 11 over 140. Since hindi sila magkapareho ng denominator, get the LCD. Ang LCD ng 5 at 140 ay 140. 140 divided by 5 is equal to 28 times 2 is equal to 56 plus 140 divided by 140 is equal to 1 times 11 is equal to 11. Then 56 plus 11 is equal to 67 over 140. Since hindi na pwedeng ma-reduce, ito na yung second term natin. Ang second term natin ay 67 over 140. Next, para makuha natin yung third term, i-add natin yung common difference sa second term. So, 67 over 140 plus 11 over 140 is equal to, same denominator sila, so pwede na nating i-copy yung denominator, then add the numerator. 67 plus 11. 67 plus 11 is equal to 78 over 140. Or, reduce to lowest term, ang magiging sagot niyan ay 39 over 70. Okay? So, ang third term natin ay 39 over 70. Next, kunin natin yung fourth term, 39 over 70 plus 11 over 140. Magkaiba sila ng denominator. Get the LCD of 70 and 140. That is 140. 140 divided by 70 is equal to 2 times 39 is equal to 78 plus 140 divided by 140 is equal to 1 times 11 is equal to 11. Then add 78 plus 11 is equal to 89 over 140. So, ang fourth term natin ay 89 over 140. So, 89 over 140. Para ma-check ninyo kung tama yung sagot ninyo, pwede nyong i-subtract yung second term sa first term or pwede nyo namang i-add yung fourth term sa common difference. So, i-check natin. 89 over 140 plus 11 over 140 is equal to the same denominator, so copy the denominator. 89 plus 11 is equal to 100. Reduce natin to sa lowest term. I-divide natin by 20. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. 140 divided by 20 is equal to 7. Okay? So, ito yung fifth term natin. Ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin. So, yun lamang mga anakshis. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo. Kung may mga katanungan kayo or clarifications, just comment down below. At kung nagustuhan ninyo ang video na to, please like, subscribe, at i-share nyo na rin sa mga classmates ninyo. Once again, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, at mag-aral ng mabuti. God bless you all and goodbye!